Whoa, this is wild. We're seeing the moment gunfire rang out in an Orange County neighborhood last month. Deputies say it was about 2:40 in the morning on January 8th when more than 24 gunshots were fired on San Jose Boulevard. The shooter drove off and would return about 8:40 that morning, getting out of the car, authorities say, in broad daylight. He tells kids standing, waiting for the bus to go home, and began firing more shots. Orange County deputies say they tracked the suspected shooter, a 16-year-old home, to a home on Montague Place. They chased him and say the teen could be seen holding a handgun, and then deputies shot at him. The sheriff's office says they don't believe the drive-by suspect ever fired any shots at this scene. He was not hurt, but someone else outside the home was shot in the foot. The teen suspect is now facing multiple charges, including 2 counts of attempted first-degree murder.